A member of parliament of the Samajwadi Party is of the opinion that Singol should be removed. Listen in.
लोकतंत्र का जो प्रतीक है वो संविधान है, लेकिन बीजेपी सरकार ने, खासतौर जो पिछली सरकार है, मोदी जी के नेतृत्व में उस संसद भवन में जहां स्पीकर बैठते हैं दाहिनी तरफ, सिंगोल स्थापित कर दिया है। सिंगोल तमिल भाषा का शब्द है, उसका हिंदी माने है राजदंड, राजदंड का और हिंदी माने है राजा की छड़ी, राजा की छड़ी और माने है राजा डंडा। तो अब देश संविधान चलेगा, न कि राजा डंडा चलेगा। इसलिए हमारी मांग है कि अगर लोकतंत्र बचाना है तो संसद भवन से सिंगोल को हटाना है।
Will the country run by constitution or royal diktat? Samajwadi Party MP there, R.K. Chaudhary, stirring up a controversy. Let me go back to Aishwarya. Aishwarya, the constitution is the symbol of democracy. Here is a rejuvenated opposition which is raising a number of issues, including Singol.
Well, certainly, and therefore the reason Bharatiya Janata Party had levelled attacks on the Samajwadi Party and had also stated that it's an insult of Tamil Nadu whether the DMK, who is in alliance with the Samajwadi Party in India alliance, will support this move of the Samajwadi Party MP or not. Of course, we all know that what Bharatiya Janata Party have stated, that this is a symbol of trust for the change in powers, the transfer of powers in fact, and also what the Samajwadi Party had been saying, that this is Raj Dand, which is Raja Ka Danda, and also in other words he is saying that this is a symbol of the monarchy in the democratic India, and the Singol which had been given to Jawaharlal Nehru, who is the first Prime Minister of India, as the transfer of powers had been taken, remember, in the last in the last year by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and had been installed in the lower house of the parliament. That clearly shows how the India respects the Chol Raj and the traditions of India, and therefore as a symbol it was kept in the parliament. But it is, of course, Samajwadi Party MP who is saying that replace Singol and put the replica of the Constitution of India, and that will be certainly a message that could send out to save Constitution and to abide by the Constitution of India, to work under the rules and regulations in the parliament. So certainly a massive controversy had been sparked by Mr. R.K. Chaudhary, Samajwadi Party MP from Uttar Pradesh, but it is the DMK and the Samajwadi Party and other India Alliance partners who have to respond as to whether they also think in a right way, as R.K. Chaudhary had written a letter yesterday.